How to fix TikTok when it says you're tapping too fast. So now open the TikTok application. On the lower right corner, you will see the profile icon. Tap this icon and it will direct you to your page. Now tap the three horizontal lines which is located on the upper right corner. Then select Settings and Privacy. And then scroll down until you find Free Up Space. Then tap the clear button beside cache. Confirm clear. And now go back and then scroll down and select report a problem. Under topics, you will find the feed, search, share option and so select this option. Now under feed, select other and then tap no and now select need more help. So in this page, you will need to construct a message which entails the details of your issue. Now, after constructing your message, tap the gallery icon and upload the screenshot of your issue. Now hit the submit button and wait for at least 2 hours to see if TikTok has resolved your problem. And so that is how you fix TikTok when it says you're tapping too fast. Thank you and have a great day.